Hello Park Lane Griffins and a very happy GAF 2021. As you know, GAF stands for Griffin Arts Festival, and over the next 2 weeks you are going to be exploring a variety of art forms within your classes. I thought a great way to start our festival would be for you to have a discussion in your class about all of the different art forms. How many can you think of? Off you go. Fantastic. Hopefully you've realised from that short exercise just how many art forms there are, and over the next couple of weeks you are going to explore those further within your classes. Our theme this year is Community Reimagined. Over the past year, we have all faced many challenges, and this theme will allow us to come together as a community to celebrate the arts. One of the strands that we have been discussing is how canals connect our communities together. For this reason, some of you will be looking at canals more closely over the next couple of weeks. I don't know if you know this already, but we actually have a member of staff who lives on a narrowboat. So I'm going to now hand us over to that member of staff so that they can tell you a little bit more about how canals connect us as a community.
Morning Park Lane Griffins, I hope you've had a lovely weekend. Miss Ensor has asked me to send you this short video for an assembly on canal life, because as many of you may not realise, I now live on a narrowboat and the community life is amazing. Years ago, people used the canals as a way of life. It was a main community thing for work and pleasure. Nowadays, it's mainly used for pleasure. But the canals, I live on the Great Union Canal, and the canal stretches from here all the way to London, and it does the whole circular to Birmingham. It can go to Stratford. It goes all the way down to Warwick. And at Hatton Locks, there are 21 locks. Where I live, there are only 4. This is my boat that we are currently working on, and here are the other boats that are moored where I live. The community spirit is amazing. Everyone helps each other out, and it is an amazing way of life. Hope you've all enjoyed my assembly on canal life. In case some of you are wondering, the boat is exactly the same as a house. It has a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, a bathroom and a bedroom. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you for watching the first of our assemblies for GAF 2021. Your teachers have spent a lot of time planning some fantastic arts exercises for you to take part in over the next couple of weeks, and I really hope that you show pride in whatever it is that you are doing. We can't wait to see the results. Happy GAF 2021 Park Lane.